Hi guys, today in this video we'll talk about how to fix or how to troubleshoot if your Viasat internet router or Viasat internet is not working. Okay, so first of all I would like to tell you there may be two reasons. The first reason related to your device and the second reason related to service outage in your area or maybe some billing issue. Okay, so first of all you need to check your device. Okay, so what you have to do, you need to unplug your router from power cable, and you need to unplug your each and every cable from your router, and you have to wait for 10 seconds, and then you can reinsert each and every cable same as previous. Okay, and when you restart your router you will see the internet will work for you. Okay, and still if internet is not working for you, then what you have to do, you need to contact Viasat customer support team, and you need to tell them that you are not able to access internet, the problem. You need to tell them and they will guide you if there is any outage in your area or if there is any issue related to billing and all, then they will guide you, they will fix you can say like internet problem by their end. Okay, so this is the only way by which you can fix if your Viasat internet is not working. Okay, so this is the you can say like solution. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment, and if this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.